which work simultaneously in an organized and integrated manners that the human body look like a unit. Okay, many of the organs are connected together. Many of the organs are connected together to form a unit. That that working is called coordination system. That system is called coordination system. This consists of nervous system and endocrine system. Central nervous system. Central nervous system, brain and spinal cord form the central nervous system. Our brain and spinal cord, they both form a nervous system. Central nervous system. Brain and spinal cord are made of very large number of neurons that are made of very large number of neurons. Very large number of neurons are connected to form a brain and spinal cord. Okay, every message is first taken to CNS and then to the other part. A message will be delivered to CNS first, okay, central nervous system, and then that is delivered to other parts of the body. Hamna, you said me that can't understand well. Okay, I'm trying to explain you as well as possible. Okay, there is today's internet issue, so we are facing problem again and again. Okay, sorry for that. Uh, Kindly inform me from where you want to ask. Okay, beta. Brain and spinal cord form the central nervous system (CNS). That both brain and spinal cord also form central nervous system. Brain and spinal cord are made of very large number of neurons. They both brain and spinal cords are made of data. You can say a large number of neurons are connected. Then brain and our spinal cord form. Every message is first taken to the CNS. Our first message is delivered to, okay, first message is delivered to CNS. Any message will be delivered to first to CNS, means central nervous system, and then the other part. Then and then that is shifted, that is converted, that is given to the other parts of the body. You can say first any message will be taken to CNS. First message will be taken to CNS, and then it is delivered to other parts of the body. Brain is present in the brain is present in the skull, and spinal cord is located in a canal-like structure in the vertebral column or backbone. Okay, our brain, you can you know about. Walaikum salam to all students. So, beta, if you have any question, you may note down. I will give you answer at the end of lecture. Okay. Okay, I was at that point. Brain and spinal cord is present in the skull. You can say skull mean in our head. Brain is present in our head, and spinal cord is located in a canal-like structure in the vertebral column or backbone. Uh, बैकबोन आप कह सकते हैं रीढ़ की नाली में, ठीक है. और स्पाइनल कार्ड इज कंसिस्ट in the vertebral column or backbone. Hope you may understand this. Peripheral neuron system. Peripheral neuron system, the nerve that originate from brain or spinal cord, constitute the peripheral neural system. The nerve that originate that we can gain that can be get from brain or spinal cord constitute the peripheral nervous system. Okay, ऐसा नर्व जो कि ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से हासिल किया जाता है, अखज होता है, ठीक है, that called peripheral neural system. These nerves are of two types, that have two types. One is sensory nerves and one is sensory nerve and second is motor nerve. Okay, what is the working of sensory nerve and what is the working of uh, a student told me that he can't hear me, she can't hear me. uh, I think you are not using your headphone. Kindly beta use your headphone. Okay, use headphone so you can hear me properly. Beta use headphone, you may, then you may hear me properly. Okay, uh, s- there are two types of nerve, sensory nerves and motor nerve. What is the working of sensory nerve and motor nerve? The sensory nerves that bring the message from receptor to CNS. Okay, from any part of the body, sensory nerves will bring the message from receptors to CNS, and the motor nerve that carry away the message from CNS. Uh, that motor nerve will carry message from from CNS to the other part of the body. इसको आसान से लफ्ज़ों में ये कह सकते हैं कि सेंसरी नर्व का काम ये होता है, कहीं से भी मैसेज होगा रिसेप्टर से रिसीव करेगा, सीएनएस तक लेके आएगा. ओके, और मोटर नर्व का क्या काम होता है कि जो मैसेज सीएनएस के पास होगा वो उसे आगे फॉरवर्ड करके लेके जाना. उम्मीद है अब आपको समझ आ गई होगी. ओके, द रिसेप्टर और द ऑर्गन्स which receives the stimuli from the surrounding environments. I have discussed that uh, sensory nerve that bring the message from the receptor. So here is question that what is receptor? Okay, what is receptor? The receptor is the are the organs which receive the stimuli from the surrounding environment. Okay, stimuli. Stimuli are received by the receptors in the sense organ, for example, eyes, nose, ears, skin, tongues, from where the stimulus is transmitted to CNS through the sensory nerve. Okay, stimuli are received from where we can receive stimuli. We can receive by the receptor in the sense organ. We have like eyes. If we are feeling pain in our eyes, okay, stimuli receive uh, uh, this message from this sensory nerve. Okay, that will be delivered to the receptor, and sensory nerve will deliver this message to the CNS. Okay, आप ये कह सकते हैं कि अगर कोई भी हमारे किसी भी सेंस ऑर्गन में मसला बनता है, आइज, नोज, ईयर्स, स्किन या कोई भी चीज़, तो फर्स्ट क्या रिसेप्टर के पास जाता है, रिसेप्टर देन फॉरवर्ड करता है, रिसेप्टर से सेंसरी नर्व्स उस मैसेज को फॉरवर्ड कर देता है सीएनएस तक. ओके, होप यू मे अंडरस्टैंड दिस. स्टिमुलाई आर द received by the receptors in the sense organ, for example eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue. from where the stimulus is transmitted to the CNS through the sensory nerve. Okay, sensory nerves will receive message from the receptor and will bring it to the CNS. In the CNS, the stimulus is processed and sent immediately through the motor nerves. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि CNS में क्या होता है कि सेंसरी नर्व मैसेज को लेके जाता है CNS तक. CNS फिर अगेन वहां से मोटर नर्व्स उस मैसेज को कैरी करके अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी वहां पे ले जाता है and sent immediately through the motor nerves to the effector, for example, muscles and glands. Okay. Uh, for example, if you put our hand in on a fire, okay, our skin, our sense organ will give instruction to CNS through receptors, through sensory nerves, okay, and then see the motor nerves will receive instruction from CNS, and then message will be delivered to the other part of the body, for example muscles or glands, that will uh, do an action. Okay, जैसे आप ये कह सकते हो कि अगर आपने अपना हाथ आग के ऊपर या किसी भी ऐसी चीज के ऊपर रख दिया है, मीन्स कि जिससे आपको पेन होगी या कोई भी और एक्शन, सडन एक्शन, तो यही होगा कि वो मैसेज पहले सीएनएस को डिलीवर किया जाएगा थ्रू सेंसरी नर्व, और सेंसरी नर्व फिर वहां से मोटर नर्व क्या करेगा, सीएनएस के सीएनएस मोटर नर्व को इंस्ट्रक्शन देगा जिसके जरिए हम अपना हाथ उस इंस्ट्रक्शंस के जरिए हमारे मसल्स या ग्लैंड्स एक्शन में आएंगे, वो उसके रिएक्शन में अपना हाथ वापस कर लेंगे. ठीक है. Pain, heat, cold, order, etc. are felt with the help of receptor. I told you about, I was telling you about this. Pain, heat, cold, pain, heat, cold, order, etc. are felt with the help of receptor. This lecture will be also uploaded on the YouTube. If you may have any issue now, okay, if you have any issue now, you may check from YouTube. Okay. This lecture will also send to you in PDF form and will be uploaded on PDF, will be uploaded on YouTube or Shining Star page. Hope you may listen me now. Pain, heat, cold, order, etc. are felt with the help of receptors. Whenever the body receives an injury, the message is immediately sent to the brain and spinal cord through the neurons. I told you about if we face any kind of issue, the message will be sent immediately to the brain and spinal cord, means CNS system, central nervous system, through the neurons. The brain and spinal cord immediately send message to the muscles of that point and we feel pain. Okay, that is all the process. So here is endocrine system. Endocrine system, there are several endocrine glands in human body. There are several kind of endocrine glands in human body. Don't write beta now. You have to just hear me. Okay. uh, if you have any question, you may ask at the end of lecture. Don't write it now, just listen to my lecture. Okay, which secretes certain chemicals called hormones. Okay, that there are several endocrine glands in human which secrete separate certain chemicals called hormones. These endocrine glands are ductless gland. Okay, that that glands that contains chemicals or hormones are ductless glands because they do not have any duct or vessels for the release of their hormones. Okay, they will not pass they will not pass through a vessel or duct. Okay, but they are passed directly into the blood. They are passed directly into the blood. The these endocrine glands are ductless because they don't have any vessel. They don't travel through vessels or duct. They just pass through directly in the blood. Okay, the main endocrine glands of man and their functions are given below. Thyroid glands. It is located on either side of the middle of the neck. It is located on the middle of the neck, uh, on the below of the our mouth. Our food must contain some iodine, otherwise that gland becomes large and cause disease called whiter. If we are not using iodine in our food, uh, there is some the resource of iodine is salt. If we are using proper ratio of iodine in our food, then there will be no issue. Okay, if we are not using iodine in our food, our gland, this gland, thyroid gland, will become large and cause disease called goiter. Okay, we may feel swelling uh, in our neck. This disease is common in the northern areas of Pakistan. Hormonal recreation of thyroid glands regulate the rate of growth of the body and rate of metabolism. This disease cause decrease the regulates the rate of growth of the body and rate of metabolism. The I told you about the uh, in first lecture what is metabolism. Metabolism is a process of breaking food into small particles. Parathyroid glands. Parathyroid glands. These are small glands embedded in the thyroid glands. They secrete hormones that controls the amount of calcium in blood and bones. Its shortage reduce the level of calcium in the blood and cause tension in muscles. The parathyroid glands are very small glands that are embedded in the that are in the thyroid glands. They secrete hormones that controls the amount of calcium in blood and bones. The working of parathyroid gland is to secrete hormones, such kind of hormones that controls amount of and calcium in bloods and bones. Its shortage reduce the level of calcium in the blood and cause tension in the muscles. We feel tension in our muscles. Adrenal gland, they are located on the kidneys. They are located on the kidneys. They produce several hormones. It prepares the body to meet and shock or emergency condition. Okay, uh, they are located on the kidney. They produce several hormones, such kind of hormones, which may help us during any emergency or on such a time when we feel any shock or any emergency. It accelerates the heartbeat and generates the rate of body metabolism, with the result of body becomes more active and can force the emergency condition. It accelerates the work. Its function is to accelerate the heartbeat. Okay, to accelerate the heartbeat and general rate of body metabolism, means for processing of foods. With the result, the body becomes more active and can face the emergency condition. For this, because of this adrenal glands, we may be active. Okay, its shortage leads to laziness. If there is shortage of adrenal glands, we may feel laziness. So beta, that is our today's lecture. If you have any question related to today's lecture, you may ask. Okay, we have just limited time, I think is. So we